Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Looking for something different, easy, and delicious? My crab curry fills all those squares, so stick around. We're starting off this really delicious dish by adding 1 can of carnation evaporated milk into a medium-sized, high-sided pan. And then a can of Campbell's chicken gumbo. And then I like to add a little bit, probably about a tablespoon of regular curry. An equal amount of hot curry, which you can adjust as to how much you like. And then I give that a good stir. Just to incorporate those ingredients. That's good. And then I like to put that on low heat on the back burner over here and let that simmer with a lid. And then bring over a frying pan and turn that to about medium heat. And to that pan, I'm going to add, this is 1 pound of bacon chopped up. And it's easier to chop up the bacon if it's slightly frozen. And we're gonna let that cook down till it's fairly crispy. And then add some green onions to that. So let's get that crisped up. Our bacon is looking nice and crispy, just the color I want. And I'm going to add, this is about 1 bunch of green onions. They were kind of fat. So normally the size you're gonna find, I would add 2 bunches. When I buy the green onions for this dish, I like to keep a good ratio of bacon to onions. I think that tastes the best. And you're just gonna cook that on low heat until the green onions are soft and a little brown. Our onions have gotten nice and soft and slightly brown, just the way they need to be. And so I'm gonna take this and set it aside. We're gonna bring back that mixture we made earlier. And that's all coming together nice. And this is 1 pound of crab with a K, as my old neighbor would call it. And I've pulled it apart a little bit, give it a little bit of a flake look, like real crab. And you're just gonna add that in and give it a stir. And you're really just warming it through, so it's not gonna sit here and cook for any length of time. You're just gonna let it sit in the curry mixture until it's warmed through about 10 minutes. And it's ready. I mean, this comes together really fast, and you're really gonna love it. It's super delicious. So let that warm up, and then we'll put everything together. We're back with our crab curry. This dish comes together so fast. I made the rice in advance. That's just a cup of rice with 1.5 cups of water and a teaspoon of salt. And I put it in a little bowl here so you can just make it easy and put it in your little serving dish like that. And then you just spoon up some of your crab curry mixture and pour it on there as generously as you would like. And then your bacon and green onion mixture goes on top. I like to be generous with that too. It's so good, you guys, and it's so easy. And when you're stuck in a rut and you go to the grocery store and you don't know what you want, this is very easy, very economical, and everyone's gonna love it. Ready in a flash, and all those great flavors will have them coming back for seconds. Please don't forget to subscribe, everyone. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.